Okay, yes, my hair is short, but there's this thing called summer in Arizona, which is, what's the word? Anyways, let's go and... Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ariel, and today I'll be showing everyone how to make a strawberry banana smoothie. So let's get on to it. Yes. My hair is short because there's this thing called summer in Arizona, which is really hot over here. The hottest I think it got up to before was 120, 124, around that range.
This is fine.
Which is why I got a haircut, because it's common sense. If you have long hair, it's going to be really hot during the summer. So yeah, before we move on, I actually wanted to talk about something that happened recently, because recently I received this in the mail, and guess what it is? It is free sample products. Yay! Anyways, I don't really know how to pronounce this company's product's name. Oh no, sorry, that's not what I meant. I don't really know how to pronounce this company's name. I think it's called Fancil, or it's like spelled out F-A-N-C-L. Okay. But I've been trying out their products. It is the Enrich Emulsion number 2. It's basically 2 lotion products that I have. So the first one is the Enrich Lotion 2. The second one is the Enrich Emulsion 2. Basically, you use it once per day before you go to sleep, which is what I do. And I just dab it on my skin, and it just moisturizes it. And like usually my skin dries up pretty fast when I put lotion on it, and like within like 1 hour it usually dries out. But like when I tried this product works so well. Like I put it on, and even after 1 or 2 hours, my skin was still moisturized and soft.
Wow.
So I really like this product. So if you're interested, go and check it out. Their products is made of natural ingredients, no like preservatives, very eco-friendly. This is what they have, and then like what came in the box was a cute like origami crane. Aww. It was really cute, and it also came with a letter that they wrote personally, which is really cute, and it's something really nice to receive during quarantine. So thank you, Fancil. I really like your products. Thank you for sending them to me for me to try them out. And yeah, so that's what I wanted to talk about. Anyways, let's just go ahead and move on and see how to make a strawberry banana smoothie. So let's get on to it.
Five minutes later.
So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and comment down below what you would like to see in the future, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye!